Yes, good afternoon. I'm Soumitra from Mineral Water Project Information. Today I'm going to explain about the turnkey project consultation which we offer. So typically people want to execute their projects, and this is ideal for people who are actually ready with their all the things, like the due diligence are complete, and finances are ready and they are ready to execute their project. So for them, let me tell you what is turnkey. So turnkey is actually taking care of the total plant from start to end. So as a business owner, you can get involved in the better activities of development of your business and making collaborations and other things. So that is what you can get yourself involved in. So while you are there will be various agencies who will be executing your jobs for the total mineral water plant. So you will need somebody as an insider who will work for you and get the whole thing done on a turnkey basis as a consultant. So we are not turnkey machinery suppliers, but we are turnkey project consultants who work with you exclusively. Okay. So let's understand the basics of the things and when you can go for that. So first of all, when to start a turnkey consultancy contract. Okay. So we advise don't start from the beginning. Okay. To start when your whole things are ready, like land and water, the resources, the finance, the project report. Okay. And the due diligence. I mean, whether the whole thing is up to date or not, whether the licenses are clear or not. So after that, you sign up with us for a turnkey project. Okay. So this is the ideal stage. So duration of a turnkey contract with us. So what is the duration like? So typically we expect that within 3 months you will execute your project. So 3 months is a barrier period for that. Okay. What is the scope of turnkey project? So we will actually not details like initial things like land and water and something like that. It is assume that you know that. Okay. And if you are not very clear, go for the earlier consultancies we have, like we have trainings, then we have support consultancy. They are typically designed for the initial stage, but this is a later stage consulting. Okay. So what does it include? So it includes redefining the land, plant design, then vendor appointments, various vendors for that. Okay. Then help in documentation. We help in documentation. Then coordination with the vendors and your team. This is very important. So you will be having certain people or you and your various vendors and supplies also. Okay. So process monitoring during the whole thing for ISI, because you are ultimately going for ISI and FSSAI. ISI is the major thing, So for that, again, this is going to be a useful thing, process monitoring. Trial production, this is very important. After the whole thing is ready, before the ISI comes for inspection, your trial production and all the readiness of your laboratory and all everything is necessary. That is what we mean by trial production. And BIS visit help. So whenever there is a visit of BIS, so during that period also we are going to help you. So what it does not include, okay, it does not include the actual charges of the various consultants involved. For example, if you involve somebody who is a specialist in ISI and FSSAI, so those charges are not included in that. All vendors charges will be separate, and over and above that we charge you for that. So how much we typically charge? That may be the question. So we typically charge from 3 to 5% of the total project cost. It depends upon little details of the project. So stay tuned and come to us for the turnkey consultation. For that, you need to define the things which we have told you, and you should be ready with your product plan. So thanks and stay tuned.